cut. Oh, okay. I just asked to my viewers if cutting my hair is good. It will look amazing. Thank you. If I were in India, I'll marry you and give you a car. If you are in Philippines, I am in Philippines. You can give me gift, but how? Guapa. Thank you, Rizal. Maris Civicos. Hello, mommy. You too. Hello, my dear. How are you? I'm fine, sensible man. You are watching from. Shout out to you. And hi, everyone. My son is my son. Bun Bun. What's Bun? I Falca Seren. Wow. What's a rain? I'm a single lady. I'm a single to himself. I'm a single lady. Falca Seren. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel now. Gigi. Hello, Kulot. I don't understand like by share live. Share ng live. Oh, bro. Birth by beauty. Oh, what you mean by that Chico Chico? Yung Milo Barrier. What's that? Open that. No, I can't open. You are beautiful, Sandra Sanchez. Thank you, Sandra. Hello, Coach Motivation. Hi. Hi to me. You just smell your ear like that. You can touch on your ear there. That you smell. What you smell? Share live by share live. Share. I am from Philippines. I speak the truth. A beautiful woman, I will marry you. Oh, marry. Sounds good. Yes. Any woman here? Oh, only me. Happy birthday. No, it's not my birthday now. My birthday is May. Is it your birthday now, Orange Maroon? What's Orange Maroon? Orange plus Maroon. Orange plus Maroon. Oh. Shika. Hi, Echo. Si Becca's Raba. Hello. No, I don't know how to speak French. Hello to Isa Bosch. What's up, Bosch? How are you to Arnel Mackey Jr.? I'm fine. I'm almost going to bed, but I still going to like, you speak then you YouTube small line. How I speak? I'm from Philippines. I guess sis. Philippines. Then once again, thank you so much for buying super chats and also join my membership. Thank you so much, Benjamin. How about the